So we're gonna do some goat curry today, guys. Oh, that's a big one. Kish, it's a big one. Yeah, Danny. Okay, guys. That's the finished product there now. Hey, you amazing people out there. How are you guys doing? Well, I hope you guys are taking good care of yourself and looking out for each other as usual. Well, guys, I am back. I'm feeling a little much better. Well, actually, we were at the Central Market yesterday and we did a video there. I tried to do the video and my arm was still paining me a little bit, but that video should be released tomorrow. So I can lift my arm a little bit now, better than last week, and it's getting better. So I have a tripod stand, so I don't have to hold the camera all the time. So guess what, guys? It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, and I'm here at one of my other friends' house, and I'll show you guys just now. The ambience here is beautiful, guys. We are actually on the farm, the back of the farm. Oh, my kind of scenery. And today we're gonna do something that I wanted to do for a while. Wait, I'll show you guys. Just hang on a sec. See here, guys. This is the leg and part of the ribs of a goat. So we're gonna do some goat curry today, guys. Well, this is my first time cooking goat curry, so I'll try this. So I'm gonna prepare this the meat. I'm gonna cut it up and wash it very thoroughly. And in the meantime, it's cooking. I'll show you guys some of the scenery in the back here. So you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video with me, and we'll cook together, guys. So I'll be back in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I'm cutting up the meat here now. My partner, he found this in his freezer, and he invited us to come out today here to cook on the farm. So you know me, I'm never going to give up a good opportunity, especially when it comes to cooking. So it should take me a little, maybe a few, I don't know if we're going to cook all of it. There's a lot of meat here. Can kind of raise my arm a little bit now, not too high, but it's also therapy. The last thing I want to do is cut my hand. Tell you pass wrong? Oh. Look, guys, you see, we gotta in the meanwhile that is cutting up, we're gonna, my partner found some of this in his freezer too, some Suriname mullet, Netley. So we're gonna fry this in the meantime. See there, guys, see?
Be careful with the word and partner.
Okay, my friend, my body friend, I'm a partner.
Okay.
And we got some drinks here. We got some music.
Line in.
Okay, we got some powerful music. So guys, it's cooking in the farm today. So while the oil is gonna hot, and we're gonna fry the fish first, I'm gonna continue cutting up the goat. Yeah, there's one thing when you're out in the farm, there's lots of flies. I guess you can't avoid that from happening. But anyway, I'm gonna take care of this meat very thoroughly.
I'll take a picture of that. Greg, I think this one.
I'll take it out then. Look, guys, I'll give you a view of the farm we're here on. Got some plantain suckers here, plantain trees. We got some small one here. Pepper, bitter gourd, Karaila, as we call it in Guyana. And that's the setup there, guys. Got some cucumbers there. Look there, guys. Yeah. What's that? Cucumber?
Yeah, bring. Tyler, bring. I'll bring salt and pepper just now.
Nice. Yeah, guys. Oh, that's a big one. Kish, it's a big one. Yeah, Danny. That's two.
You can also.
Can't get any fresher than that.
Danny, you ever find this out? Is it in the same cupboard as vinegar? Where the same cupboard is? At the side got a little shelf. See about like this.
You have some kai soy, bok choy,
Or a bowl. I got a bowl here, Danny.
some cassava.
Bring a knife.
This is awesome, guys. Awesome. Yeah. Then we got the good. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right. Sorry. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. The meat is already washed, prepared with vinegar, and I'll put it to boil a little bit, and then we're gonna truncate the meat. Gonna put it in a curry. Okay, guys. I'm about to boil this goat meat now, and my sister, she had given me an idea how to do it. And this is not, well, I have so many adopted sisters in Suriname and all around the world with nieces and nephews, but this is my sister, like the female part of me, the one that torments me when I was a child. Actually, we both tormented each other when we were kids. She suggested that while I'm boiling this meat, I should add some rosemary and some thyme inside, and in that way it's going to give the meat a flavor. So I'm going to try it her way. So this is her recipe in doing this. So I'm going to call this this segment, this part of it, Debbie's boiling of the goat meat with herbs segment. So I'll put it to boil, guys. So I'm putting the meat to boil now. All right. Okay, Debs. Okay, Debs, in here. Putting the rosemary inside. Rosemary and fine leaf thyme. See? So let's try it and see. And we'll boil this for as long as it'll take. Maybe half an hour. I will get back to you guys. There, guys, it's gonna boil for a while there now, and I'll check back on it in a little while. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, guys. I just love these kai soy. Beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. The meat is already boiled, prepared, so I won't be chunking the curry today. My friend will be doing that. Okay, got the goat meat already boiled out, and Debs, you're right. If you can smell this, you can smell the rosemary and the thyme on it. That's for garnishing. Okay, my friend, he's going to be the one chunking the curry. So, and it's getting a little bit dark now. Look at the. Okay. Yeah, that's a mixture of garlic, onion, green seasoning, pepper. Want to turn the fire a little bit, Terry? Is it high, you know? Turn towards the side. Slowing it. Yeah. Okay. You can smell it already. Then I put advertising chip with me. Johnny, bring some water for me, please. You gotta get some water. Oh, you got water there? Alright. And sorry, want the water, no? I leave it right here. Right? Alicia, we're using your delicious masala. Delicious. See that? What, Terry, you got the touch, boy? You got the touch, you know the chunky? You can get married again.
Again?
Cover down, you sure? You got born, you know?
Grandmother always said cover to keep the smell.
Alright, it's your cooking.
Alright, meat.
There's just 2 peppers, Terry, so we can put more pepper if you want. Okay, now we'll throw the meat inside. Cheers, guys. We have a farm dog.
Moving from there, big block of the mount plant.
What do you need? You got cubes here? Some black pepper. Okay, black pepper. Got a cube, you got a salt. Patrick. Oh, that's his name, Patrick. 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 I'm gonna put some pepper there.
More pepper.
Chop it up. Smelling good, guys. It's smelling good. Look at that, guys. Okay, guys. That's the finished product there now. It's getting a little bit dark, guys. It ran off a little bit late. Look at that, guys. Look at the goodness there, guys. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good, guys. Yeah. Yeah, look good. Looks good, guys.
You get a lot of pieces. Wait, let me like
Yeah.
piece it in there.
Okay, guys, we will. I'll taste it and I'll let you know what it tastes like. Looks good though, guys. Goat curry, guys, or curry goat. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. My hands are clean, guys, so I'll taste it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, guys. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, for a piece of meat. Okay, guys. It's good, guys. Terry was the cook tonight. Good job, Terry. That was good. Alicia, your masala worked well. Good, guys. Debs, my sister has she had a good idea. I can taste the rosemary and the thyme on it. Thanks, Debs. Okay, guys, it was fun here today, but unfortunately, it got so dark so fast. We came a little bit late, but it's okay. We got our goat here. We got our fry, some fish left, cucumber, and I'm just here. We're just here chilling. We're just here chilling. So thank you guys for joining us on this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I do appreciate the thumbs up. Please subscribe and share, and I'll catch you on the other adventure. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, guys. Bye for now.